What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ChynaMa'Rae, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so this video is a little different today. I am doing a makeup slash unboxing review. Palette that I'm going to be reviewing today is the JUVIA'S NUBIAN Earth palette. I know that I have not been here in a little minute, but that's because I've been waiting on my packages to come. I was not expecting that to come first because it's not the first thing that I ordered, but I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what the people are doing with the packages. I don't know why they're taking so long, but yeah, so I'm just gonna let y'all know my thoughts about the palette. But this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys like it. I also mentioned some other products that I had got in this package today, as well as some products that I had got like the end of last week that I did not make a video to review. But if you want to see how I got this look and my thoughts on the palette, then definitely keep on watching and let me know what you guys think at the end of this video. Oh my god, I'm so excited, y'all. I have not bought makeup in so long, so you better know that your girl is excited. Just before we jump into the eye look, I wanted to go ahead and say that I would also be using this today. This is the Fix Plus Coconut. It's MAC Prep and Prime, and yeah, I just opened the box. As y'all can see, like, the box is all messed. Ooh, y'all can't see my address. The box is all messed up. I don't know what happened to this box. I do have a MAC setting spray, the matte one, but just like with all matte setting sprays, it does have those white dots on them, and oh, I ain't too much of a fan, but I guess it's going to happen with any matte setting spray. Let's just go ahead and open up this one here, and this is what it looks like. It's the same size as the Fix Plus. Yeah, they're the same size. This is definitely something you use like if you're going to a party or you're going to be out all day. I am going to go ahead and spray this just to smell it because it's supposed to smell like coconut. If you have never had the MAC setting spray, this is how you open it. And I think that is really cool. Now when I first got this one, I was so confused because I was like, how does this work? That has a really refreshing scent to it. It smells really good. I like that a lot. I definitely like the smell of this. I'm hoping that I love the way that it does on my face. Just go ahead and get straight into the palette. Y'all know it comes with that little plastic thing. I really like that. Do y'all see that? And like, I've never seen a shade like that. So I'm really interested in seeing how that's going to look. Real close and personal. We real close and personal right now, okay? How have y'all been? Because I have just been doing, I've honestly just been doing the most. I'm currently in school. School is literally like kicking my butt just a little bit, because when school first started, I had kind of come, I'm taking summer classes. Just in case y'all wonder, what are you talking about? School just started. I'm taking summer classes, and it has been crazy because I was kind of getting accustomed to just not really doing anything. You know, I really wasn't able to use my car as much as the time because it needed tires. So I was kind of just becoming accustomed to not doing anything and just chilling in the bed or chilling out with my boyfriend. And I knew that my classes would be starting soon, but For those of you who do not know, I am deciding to go into nursing. So, you know, pre-req classes for nursing, take it serious. It gotta be taken serious, okay? At least for someone like me. I don't want to do the bare minimum just to get by. I want to take it serious. So I was not taking it serious at first, and trust me, I paid for it because apparently I had missed one of my darn assignments. And the teacher, like, when you miss an assignment for this class, you do not get to remake it up. There, like, if you miss it, that's just it. And undoubtedly, my dumb self did not understand that concept, and I missed it. And ooh, it broke my heart because the grade in there was horrible. So definitely not gonna play around with that anymore. If you're wondering what I used on my eyelids to prime them, I did use the P. Louise base in Rumor 4. Whenever you see me priming my eyes, 9 times out of 10 is going to be P. Louise. Because P. Louise bases to me are just bad. Like, they're just life. I have Rumor 0 and Rumor 4, and those are the only 2 that I have. And I bought those in like 2019. So with this palette, I'm going to be taking this color right here. And in case you're wondering what brush I'm using a brush off of Amazon, MSQ or MSO, I don't know. So I'm going to be popping this color right in the crease. Do y'all see that? That's one thing I can say about Juvia. And I have a lot of Juvia's face palettes, but the only reason that they are not have a review on them is because of the fact that I did not have a YouTube channel at the time where I could be, you know, making review videos. That's the only reason. But Juvia has always did beautiful with her makeup palettes. I definitely like working with browns. I feel like browns are a girl's best friend, whether you are dark skin, light skin, fair, pale, it does not matter. They're a necessity when it comes to makeup because honestly, in my opinion, browns, I mean, you can wear a brown look with anything. So I feel like it's really good to have brown in your collection when it comes to makeup. Always have a brown palette, always have a neutrals palette. It's a necessity. I'm going to be going in with this color, and that's basically going to be the color that I use to diffuse that brown a little bit. And just remember that makeup is a process, okay? Just because it looks crazy right now does not mean it's gonna look crazy when you get done. I'm gonna go back in with that same dark brown color just to make sure that it does not get lost and that it continues to define that crease. Now I'm going to go in with a clean brush, and I'm taking the Morphe E22, and I'm just going to use that to buff out that color. Again, I'm going to be cutting my crease with that same P. Louise base. I'm just going in with a clean brush. I'm going to pat to get any excess product off. I'm taking a flat top brush, a brush that's, you know, flatter, and I'm going to use that to carve out my the cut crease, and I am going back into that brown shade. I'm going to go in once again with that same brush and dip into that darker shade, and I'm gonna bring that darker shade like in the outer part. Just bring it in just a little bit. We're gonna start with the lightest shimmer first, and we're gonna start by placing that more in the inner part of the eye. Yeah, I'm going with this one. I'm going with that one. And we're going to start transitioning some overlap. And I'm using the same brush. So the last shade I'm gonna be going in with is that golden type of shade right there, and that's going to be the last one that I go in with for the little gradient thingamabobby I got going on here. I'm gonna take a brush just like this, and we're gonna use that just to sweep and blend. So this is basically the finished look. I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera, and then I will come back and let you guys know my final thoughts about the palette. So I'm basically back to give you guys my final thoughts about the palette. This is the Juvia's Place, the Nubian Earth palette. And honestly, you guys, the palette is really nice. I really like the pigmentation. Juvia's Place palettes always have a great pigmentation with them. I have plenty of their palettes, plenty. They're always very pigmented. You get a good color story just about every time. And y'all, I most definitely love the shimmers in this palette. I definitely want to use more of them. I cannot wait because they look so nice and just so good, and they translate really nicely on the eye. I know sometimes, like with the light and everything, you can't really, you know, see. Like I said, I'm more of a natural girl anyway. This palette right here is right up my alley. I'm not too sure how much it retails for. So the palette retails for $20. Of course, there's coupon codes out there that you could use to get this palette at a lesser price, at a discounted price, in case you feel like $20 is too steep for a palette. For $20, you do get a good amount of colors. In my opinion, you get 12. So, you know, I'm not gonna do the math right here to say how much you paying for each pan, but it's pretty nice. That's basically it. I mean, if you've had Juvia's Place palettes, then you know that the quality is great and you get what you pay for, honestly. And it's not super expensive. It's not just super cheap. Sometimes these palettes are cheaper and you expect, oh, it's cheap, let me get that, and then it's just totally not what you thought it was gonna be. But I've noticed with Juvia's Place that I simply get what I pay for, and that's just that's just the bottom line of it. Whether I'm getting lip glosses, lipsticks, blush. I ain't do no blush with this look, but I definitely do love the blush. I also had mentioned in the beginning of this video that I got a package earlier this week. Sometimes like last week I got the package. I had went ahead and purchased 3 Fenty Beauty highlighters. I got Trophy Wife, I got Water Brat, and I got Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. Today I used Mo Honey, but my favorite of like all of them, which I will definitely wear like with the natural look, and I plan on doing a natural look video soon with just like the foundation and like just a simple eye look, or maybe no eye look at all. We're just gonna really have to see. What a Brat is my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all of them really quick, how they look. So this is Trophy Wife, this is Afternoon Snack slash Mo Honey, and this is Water Brat. They're all so beautiful, y'all, but Water Brat is my favorite. Like, that pink highlight is so beautiful to me. Like, I absolutely positively love it. I love it. I did use Mo Honey on my cheek, like I said, and it's like more of a subtle highlight. It's not too much, which is why I used it, because the eyes are a little dramatic. And well, it might be dramatic to some people. It's not that dramatic to me. I would definitely wear this out. But let me stop rambling or whatever. And yeah, I did use this. I like it. I would probably use it as a base. It's definitely not something that I would use every day, at least not to like set. I could definitely use it to prep, but as far as me using it to set, I would probably go for something like the matte or my Morphe Continuous. I just haven't found anything that does me like my Morphe Continuous. Like, my Morphe Continuous it doesn't make me too dewy, okay? And this definitely is going to make you dewy. So if you have dry skin and you're looking to be more dewy, then that's gonna make you dewy. So if you want that, then definitely get it. But that's pretty much it with this makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you like the look, and if you decide to recreate it, definitely let me know how it turns out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share this video. It's really appreciated if you share it, so share it. That's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next one.